Loving my hair came from years of me rediscovering how to take care of my hair, learning different ways to work with my hair. Loving my hair took a while. It took a long time to love it in each state that it shows up in, whether it's defined, whether it's nappy. Like, it took a while for me to get there. And while I was in that space of trying to figure it out, there are countless amounts of people that have been around in this journey for me. Social media influencers from YouTube, from Instagram that have positively impacted and affected my life in a great way. To where like I have fallen in love with my hair. I've learned more different things to do with my hair and how to treat my hair. And yeah, now I've become that person. Now I've become that person to share game, to share knowledge. And that's really what I do on this page. Motivate y'all to wear your natural hair, show y'all different styles y'all can do, and how you can really just love your natural hair and grow your natural hair, because our hair does grow naturally. I've been using protective styles to grow my hair, and my hair has grown so much. Y'all, I used to be bald headed, okay? But I have a workshop coming up. It's a 1 hour workshop, just understanding how to literally gain that confidence with your natural hair, because it does take time, it does take steps, and I want to go through those steps with you guys in this workshop. It also comes with an ebook as well. So I'm excited for you guys to tap in, and I can't wait to see you guys there. If you want to get a seat inside of this 1 hour workshop on loving your natural hair, comment down below so I can get you guys in, okay? Love you guys. So I'm getting locks in the next 8 months. What are some styles I should try before I get locks? With my own hair though. I don't really want to use extensions. Let me know down in the comments, okay? I'm excited to get locks, and here's why I'm getting locks, okay? So I'm basically moving to Mexico. I learned how to make money online, blah, blah, blah. That's a whole story. If you guys want to hear it, maybe I'll do a story time. But I'm moving to Mexico, and it's been about 2 years. Wow, my 2-year anniversary is this weekend. So anyways, I'm hitting my 2-year anniversary, and I love my hair. I've been able to experience it in my natural fro and things like that, and how to take care of it. I've experienced a lot of styles, but I realized when I go to Mexico, I want to live a more chill, peaceful life, right? So I don't really want to be detangling my hair and doing all these different styles. Even when I've been wearing like these mini braids and the chunky twists and stuff like that, I haven't done much to my hair. I just be waking up and going and just putting like conditioner and water on my hair. So in all reality, I don't really want to do all of the stuff. I don't really want to do all the stuff. I'd rather just wake up and go, and I miss that life. So I will be joining back into the lock community in 8 months. So what should your girl try? Okay, what should your girl try? If you want to follow along on this journey of all the styles I'm gonna try before this 8 months, hit the follow button. If you want to join in, if you want to get a seat in my natural hair love workshop, comment down hair love, get the ebook, all that stuff. Yeah, IDK. Just comment a lot of different stuff. Okay, see y'all.